Yeah, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. If I can get it open. So this is a sticky set, but I got the hook and loop set. Should be here next week. Alright, y'all know what time it is. Alright. Can't wait to get this home and start working on all this. Cracks out, get all that smoothed up, fix all this crap. You know what I'm saying? And welcome back to another video. Glad you joined the channel. If this is your first time, please consider subscribing. Going back a couple of months, you know what I'm saying, as far as you want to, and catch up to what's going on. Alright, because here I do fun things. We crack jokes, work on cars. We got 1993 hatch 240SX and 05 G35. Alright, so a little talk channel, a little talk video today. Alright, just showing you guys what's to come, and if I can, I'm just gonna rip into it because, you know, just go rip into it. Hey, I got new gaskets. Hey, what are these? Exhaust manifolds. And as you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 holes. We got hardware, and there's 2 of them. So if you're good at math, 2 times 3 equals 6. You know what vehicle they're going on. So we are at a standstill right now because clutch is still. Previous video, we got a new slave in. We still got a wrench up here, but we think we're leaking air here or up at the top. We actually took the dampener out of the equation to see what was going on. All right, brakes are good. They have been bled. They are holding. We are good to go on that end, but that is hindering our movement right now. Also, the timing control unit, little white box that goes on the left side kick panel where your foot goes in the 240, had a short. One of the tracers is burnt out, so I'm trying to get that fixed right now so I can get my dash to work. We start the car, run it, and I'll see what my temperature actually is. That is problem right now. That is the major holdup, that TCU unit. Nissan wants $400 for a little 2x2 white box. I don't see that happening for the next couple months, if it happens at all. Okay, so that's where we're at. Giving you guys an update, let you know what's going on. I don't want to do anything further on the car because I actually could. Got all my cables, fuses, everything, switch to move the battery to the trunk. I could do that, but why do that? We're not starting the car, we're not moving it, anything. There's body work I could do on the car, but again, why until we get that clutch issue fixed? Okay, so boring day being around it, can't really do anything. G35 still waiting on the motor. Hopefully the next 2 weeks it'll be done. And just to give you guys a heads up, April 29th there's a drift event at Five Flag Speedway out in Pensacola. If you're in the area, go ahead and hit it up. All right, them guys from Slight Kings, they always throw good events. Other than that, not much to disclose, talk about. So happy Monday. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's never happy for most people. And that's today's video. Appreciate you guys coming back, staying with me along the ride, and hopefully we get this 240 on its own power. But it's running on the wheels, drive it around, and see where we go from there. All right, catch you guys in the next one.